My name is Blanca Harina de la Marquetta, and this is Recipes from the Bunker. Hello, welcome to Recipes from the Bunker. Tonight we're cooking pizza dough quiche. We've got a high quality bottle of $4.99 olive oil, 10% olive oil, 90% canola. First we're going to cook the stuff that goes in the stuff with the things that have been pre-chopped by our excellent sanitary bunker cooking team. Supervisor. We've got our supervisor on staff. He's our safety security officer, and he's the one making sure we're all doing the right thing at the right time in a sanitary way. I'm going to use a bit of the Magic Reserve, the real Tunisian olive oil from Trader Joe's that we're in low down in the bunker. We're going to be cooking up some leeks with a little bit of garlic. Don't hesitate to cook in your pajamas when you're in the bunker, because no one's watching. Note 3 plaids in effect. Never made a pizza quiche before. I've also never been in like a quarantine lockdown before, so it's new for everybody, right? Lockdown. Thank you for joining us on Recipes from the Bunker. Good night.